Do you want to know how you can make money online? Then I believe you're in the right place for that. Because today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money online by just putting pictures and doing a voiceover with your phone, and you're going to be making a whole lot of money. This is how a lot of people are making money online. How you can make over $1,000 in a single day. I'm going to be showing you that later on in the video, so stay tuned. And I'm also going to be showing you guys testimonials from a course which people are making whole lot of money, and I'm going to leave a link for you guys down in the description box. And all of you who haven't signed up for TubeBuddy extension, sign up because we're going to be using it for all the process and procedures we're going to be using to make money. So this is a meditation niche, and they have over, as you can see, type in the word meditation and giving us a score of how many people, monthly searches of about 7.12 million. That's a whole lot. So I want you guys to use this procedure to make money online. So we're going to be going further. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do it. Minutes video you want to do. So here's the testimonial.
I am a single mom in Tucson, Arizona, and have been struggling to pay my bills, and now I have an internet business, and I'm so excited.
I'm freaking excited today. I got my first sale.
John Crestani, you've been featured in Forbes magazine.
And the best thing is you can work from anywhere, no matter where you travel. I've really worked hard to create in my educational programs, creating a clear plan that people can follow, that's proven and can help them become successful and start making their first commissions online and learn business skills.
I love it because a lot of people do not know where to.
1.55 million subscribers, and look, man, he posts just one video a month, sometimes one video in 3 months. If I were you and I come into this kind of niche, I make sure I post like twice a week or 3 times a week, and you're going to be getting more money than this guy. You're going to blow up, man. Put your videos everywhere so that they begin to go viral and views. You don't know, man, you can make a lot from this. All he does is just get images and videos, and he just puts them up together and does a free a video and an audio recorder with his phone. That's literally what he does, man. He doesn't do much. He just records himself talking, and look how much he's making per month on YouTube. 831 13.3 k thousand. As a YouTuber, I can say he's making an average of about $8,000 to $11,000 on YouTube monthly. Monthly, guys. Are you guys seeing this? Just from Google Ads alone. Just by placing ads on his videos, he's making this much amount of money. You can make more than this. All you just need is consistency. Post very often. As I said earlier, he doesn't post much. He's getting a daily view average of about 106,000. You see, every day. Look at views, man, and look at where you can get tags. Some of his best tags: hypnosis, sleep hypnosis. And I'm going to be telling you guys the best secrets on how your videos can pop up more on YouTube. But you have to stay and watch until at the end of the video so that you won't miss out on more secrets I'm going to be telling you guys. There are a lot of secrets for you guys. I'm going to be telling you guys how you can do that so that the videos can go viral. After going viral, you stay more on YouTube. Look, man, $13,300 just by putting images and videos together. You make this every month. Just imagine yourself having 2 channels on this. I'm going to be showing you guys an extra way on how you can make money from Google Ads, and this is what this guy does. He just puts up a link in the description, and whoever goes to download one of this track, he gets paid, guys. He gets paid. Let's just say 10,000 people. Just multiply it. So say 10,000 people multiplied by these $3. That's huge, man. Talk less of like the 100,000, and you get approximately sometimes millions of views. Let's just say half of 500,000 people go and just purchase this, multiplied by $3. You're going to see how much I'm talking about. That's cool cash. That's what he's making. So that $13,000 YouTube pays him, Google pays him is just like a little change for him. Look at all the links he drops in his video in the description. This is another channel. It's known as Calm. They're also in meditation niche, like I said earlier. 576,000 subscribers. That's quite huge for YouTube also. Yeah, and they're making 1.2 thousand to $19,000 every month, guys. That's huge. That's really huge. They don't also post often. 1 month, a video in a month, one video in 2 months, another video in 2 months, another video in another video in 4 months. They don't post often. So if I were you guys, man, I would like open the channel right away and type on the whatever you need. I typed in meditation and look, a lot of people meditating. So you can just use these images and pile them up together. Just go on Google or go on Fiverr, pay $5 and get someone who will just do a voiceover for you. Or if you can do that yourself, do a voiceover. You can also get videos. You can look up here towards your left, your photos, and you just click on the videos and they are free. Remember, you're not paying for anything. They are free to use. You just come right here and download it, and nobody's going to sue you for any copyright or take down your video. Look, there's a monk here. There are a lot of people. If you're doing a video on yoga, you just come over here, look at a lot of people relaxing. Just take that up and just extend it just by pulling them to the end. And for as long or how many. So this is the biggest way you can ever make money off YouTube through affiliates. And by doing this, you just come over to Digistore24, sign up, create an account, and go over to Marketplace. You're gonna see a whole lot of products you can use on put down in different niches. Like for this now, this is a mediocre product. Look at how much you can get just by promoting this product. $122. Multiply that by, let's just say, 50 people, and you're gonna see that's a whole lot of money. You're gonna get more than $1,000 in a day by the time you start getting views to your channel by using TubeBuddy for all your SEO optimization. This is another channel that you get approximately $200 from just by promoting it. It's all about getting YouTube views. So if you're in the how-to niche, you just come over here and let's just say and promote it. You just hit the promote link. I'm having promote now. You're going to be given a link. I'm having kind of network issue. Just imagine $200 multiplied by 10. Are you seeing the way people make money? So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button because it will just make it look cool, huh? And you're always going to be getting a whole lot of tips and tricks from me on how you can make money. So these are the way people are making a whole lot of money. Let's say you have a channel and you're getting approximately 100,000 views a month and just 10,000 people buys a product for $200. Wow, that's real huge. Real huge. All you just have to do is drop links in the description, the affiliate links in the description box, and whoever goes there and purchases a product, you get paid, man. That's how it is. For all of you who are complaining that you don't have enough 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 of watch hour to sign up for the YouTube Partner Program, and so that you'll be able to run ads on your channel, you don't need that, man. With 0 subscribers, you can do this and you can earn a whole lot of money from YouTube. Look how much people are earning, man. $219 if you're in the crypto niche, talking about how to make money through crypto and invest. You just go that. So thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.